Sights and sounds. I don't know what they're doing up here. Something. Streets blocked off. It's a protest or what? It's a lot of people out here. See him across the street. You know me, I'm a mind. Oh, I wonder if it's an Easter egg hunt. Huh. I don't know. I see a lot of kids and people dressed up. It may be an Easter egg hunt. Some kind of an event. Anywho, yeah, they got the roads all blocked off. I don't know. But I'm a mind a business that pays who? That pays me. That's how you live a long, happy, healthy life. Minding your business. The business that pays you. It's kind of gloomy out, but uh-oh, they got homeless tents out on it. Trying to be nosy, but not nosy at the same time. I don't know what they're doing. Something. Lots of people dressed up. Kids with suits on and little dresses. It's too cute. Yes, indeed. I don't know, I can't see what's going on, but they have all these streets cordoned off, so something's going down. Yeah. Today is Monday, April 21st.